I'm Robert Braswell, and this is 2 Minutes with TMC. Welcome to 2 Minutes with TMC. I'm your host, Robert Braswell, with ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council. 2 Minutes with TMC is brought to you courtesy of Meritor. Meritor is a leading global supplier of drivetrain, mobility, braking, and aftermarket solutions for commercial vehicle and industrial markets. With a more than 100-year legacy of providing innovative products that offer superior performance, efficiency, and reliability, Meritor serves commercial truck, trailer, defense, specialty, and aftermarket customers around the world. And now let's take a look at what's happening in your council. Cybercrime is a growing concern for the trucking industry. As trucking becomes more dependent on sophisticated computer systems, the risk for cyber-related shutdowns becomes greater. That's why ATA, TMC, and others are partnering to launch the ATA's new Fleet CyWatch program with the help of the FBI and the Department of Homeland Security. This new motor carrier program will identify emerging cyber threats and help guard against malicious actions of cybercriminals. It will assist fleet members in reporting information about trucking-related internet crimes and cyber attacks and disseminate information to fleets about cyber threats that may impact their operations. To tell us more about the new program, here's ATA's Director of Engineering and Information Technology, Ross Froat.
In the beginning of January 2018, we are starting a brand new fleet member benefit. It's called the Fleet CyWatch program. This program brings together the Transportation Security Council and the Technology and Maintenance Council of ATA, and also the ATA Fleet members that all bring together the ATA Fleet Federation. It's a reporting and responding program for federal enforcement and intelligence sharing agencies to work together with fleets in defending against cybercrime and internet security, just for all the purposes of fleet operations.
Thanks, Ross. TMC's Cybersecurity Issues Task Force will be working with ATA to implement Fleet CyWatch. Want to get involved? Come to TMC's 2018 annual meeting and participate in the task force. To register, or for more information on the program, go to tmcannual.trucking.org. You'll find a shortcut link to our event landing page in today's email as well. And that's all the time we have today for 2 Minutes with TMC. Once again, this program is brought to you by the good folks at Meritor. Until next time, this is Robert Braswell with TMC. Thanks for watching.